Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, James? Give me 1 second. All right, cool. Welcome to the channel. My name is Gabriel Montoya. If this is your first time tuning in, we're just kind of looking at the charts right now. To be honest with you, we're obviously consolidating. The one thing here is obviously we don't have a huge major break. We just want to be careful here, as again we've just been playing on top of this 200. Okay, and obviously the 200 is just it just tells us predominantly what direction we're going. We're obviously not above it. We're not below it. She fell below it, but again, she fell below here, shot back up. She fell below here, shot back up. So again, we just want to be careful, and just try to be as precise as we can. We go down to the 15. We go up to the 15. We do see that we are under. We do see that we are under this this 200. Looks like we've been under the 200. We actually just shot up here. Okay, and then we actually are now back underneath. So let's pull this up here real quick. And again, the reason why we go out to obviously a higher time frame is it just gives us, a little bit bigger of a picture versus, the 5 minute, which obviously gives us a right now picture. You know what I mean? So what's up, Reginald? What's up, Reggie? So again, we look at this 845 candle. Okay. We look at what she did at the 830 candle. Okay. And then obviously that 845 candle, she then shot back up, but she didn't. She actually bounced off the 200 and shot down. So we're gonna kind of just mark up and see kind of what we had. I actually took some trades last night as well, right before the London session, and I've actually been doing very well with the London right before the London session. So we will definitely just do something very light this morning. Maybe 2 or 3 trades. We'll see what we get into, but we're not going to rush anything. Let's see. All right. Okay, so this is kind of where we're at. We're kind of bouncing off an area right now that I'm definitely possibly looking at getting into and writing this drop. So give me 1 second here. Let me just get in. Okay. If we jump into this 200 right here. Yeah, yep. All right, so here's my money line. If we jump up here, I'm going to get in for a sell. I'm going to get in for a sell. Okay, so this is my money line. I'm going to be taking a sell. We're under the 200. We're on top of the 200 on the 5 minute. On the 15, we're below it. And I think that will continue to fall. So let's get ready here. And again, we're just going to get a quick bag. All right, I'm in. I'm in. and I'm in. So I got 3 trades open. I'm in. And honestly, guys, I'm looking just for a quick bag, honestly. Nothing big. She's pulling up on us. All right, come on. Let's go US30. Big drop. Here we go. I will not stay in these long. I'm going to be out of these pretty quick. So as she falls here, we're going to be out. Let's go. Big drop US30. Big drop. Let's go. I already got my button on the close. I already got the trade open to close. I'm just waiting for it to come down into an area where I'm in profit, and then I'm done. And then I'm going to go and close those other 2. Okay. I just opened another one right at the top there. Let's go. Big drop. The big drop US30. Come on. Big drop. All right, we're gonna definitely keep our eye on this here. Okay, got my button on the close. I'm just waiting for it to drop, guys. I'm waiting for her to drop. She's bouncing. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Keep going. Keep dropping. Let's go, US30. Keep dropping. Let's go. Okay, guys, so let's look at this 5-minute here. We have 10 seconds left on this 5-minute. We got 10 seconds left on this 5-minute. About to open up a new 5-minute here. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Big drop. Come on. It's not what I wanted, but okay. We're okay. Let's go, US30. Big drop now. Come on, let's go. Get down here. Honestly, we're about 20 points, guys. We're about 20 points pullback. We're about a 20-point pullback, honestly. Here we come. We're falling now. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Let's go. Let's go. Big drop. Come on, get down here. Get down here. He had exactly about 20 points. We're at about 20 points right now. Pullback. Okay. We need a drop. We need a drop. There we go. Let's go. There we go. Come on, let's go. Big drop. Keep dropping. There we go. Keep dropping. Let's go. Here we go. That's what we want. Yep, that's what we want. Yep, let's go. Let's go. Let's get in profit. Let's get in profit. Let's get in profit, and we're done with this session. We get in profit. We're done with this session. Bag me. Let's go. Drop, drop, drop. Let's go. Bag me. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We literally took 4 trades this morning. We took 4 trades this morning. We are done. We are done. In profit. Okay. So again, I just want to give you guys a heads up as far as where we're at on this evaluation. Okay. So we are literally, we obviously opened up on Monday. We opened up this $50,000, my Forex funds account. Okay. So currently we are at 52,013. We are $2,000 away from our evaluation goal. All right. And again, keep in mind, guys, that on Monday we took almost a 4% loss. Okay. And again, we've just been chipping away just little by little by little by little. And again, we're at 52,013. So we're 2,000 away from our evaluation nut of $4,000. We're going to probably most likely hit that next week. Okay. Then we get through the second evaluation, and I'm telling you, the week later. So again, it takes time, guys. Like, it doesn't happen overnight. Do you know what I mean? But again, what I wanted to do is I just wanted to show you it doesn't matter the size of the account. It doesn't matter if it's a $50,000 account. It doesn't matter if it's a $200,000 account. It doesn't matter if it's a $100,000 account. If we work in our perimeters, okay, again, like, we can be successful in this game. And it just takes patience, okay? It takes discipline, and it takes consistency, okay? And again, we're not in any trades right now. We're not being greedy. She dropped. She gave us a bag. We're out, okay? And so again, like, today's numbers, including the trades that I did this morning, okay, we're at a profit of $1,092, okay? So again, guys, that's a 2% growth. Understand that $500 is 1%. $1,000 is 2%. 2% daily growth. Like, that is huge. That's monstrous. Like, that's amazing. So again, on this account for this week, we've had a 4% growth. If you can do 4% consistently every single week, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Again, even on this $50,000 account, okay, that's $2,000 in profit a week. Times that by 4, guys. Like, I'm telling you, and that's just on the small account. Again, just I wanted to just make sure that you guys know that, again, like, we can jump in it. It's all the numbers. You know, if you manage your numbers right, you're structured right, you're disciplined, you're consistent, you're patient. Like, it doesn't, like, we can win at this game, guys. And like I said, like, this is a $50,000 account. Imagine if I would have got a $100,000 account, $200,000 account. All that simply means is that my profit is bigger. Okay. So again, I just wanted to come down to the level of just starting from the beginning, just like someone would normally start. You know what I mean? And again, like I just wanted to obviously show you guys just patience. So like I said, next week we'll get through eval 1. The following week we'll get through eval 2. We'll have a live account in about 3 weeks. Okay? And then at that point, I'm telling you, you guys are going to see me stack on this $50,000 account. And we're going to dominate this $50,000 account. And I'm telling you, this $50,000 account will change lives. That's it, guys. We cannot overcomplicate this. We cannot overcomplicate this. I'm telling you, to be able to bring in, you know, again, like I said, this is a four-day week, okay? We traded 4 days. Like I said, Monday, I took a 4.5, a little over 4%, little over 4% loss. So what we did this week is we actually did 8% growth because we had to make up that 4%, and we're right over $2,000 profit. Who does that, guys? It's unheard of. Do you know what I mean? Like I said, it's just a number, 50, 100, 200,000. It's just a number. But I just wanted to let you guys know, and I just wanted to just really say, you know what? I don't need to spend $1,000 on a big account. You don't need to spend $1,000 on a big account. $50,000 account, and let me show you how to change your life with that account. Can I still join that challenge? It's not really a challenge, honestly. Like I just am documenting, you know, just obviously I just documenting buying a $50,000 account with you guys, and then obviously just working that account every single day, reporting exactly what I'm doing. So again, like I'm on the $50,000 challenge right now, you know, and again, we're in eval 1. We're about $2,000 away from completing eval 1. We have 4 trading days underneath us. Okay. We will definitely get eval 2 next week. Okay. I would say probably maybe Wednesday, Thursday, we should be able to start eval 2. And then literally, I would say, guys, we will have a full count. Okay. By day 30, I will definitely share with you guys, profits. I'll show you exactly withdrawals. I'll show you all of that stuff, because again, I just want to make sure that you guys understand that this is real. You know what I mean? And again, I just wanted to just say, hey, $300. Okay, rather than putting $1,000, $2,000 in your own account, what you can literally do with learning this skill set and then literally getting into a $50,000 challenge, and how you can. So I'm at a lot size of 10. Okay, so $10 per point. Okay, with the threshold of 50. Okay. So obviously, if she pulls back 50 points, that's $500. That's 1%. Okay. 2% would be $1,000 loss. 3% is $1,500 loss for the day. Okay, but again, that's a drawback of $50. That's a drawback, of 50 points. Okay. And again, that's being conservative. I could put a lot size of 20. That just means that I have to obviously have a better entry. Does that make sense? I couldn't have taken this I couldn't have taken this pullback that she did today at 20. It would have been over leveraging. So again, under leverage, guys, I'm telling you, under leverage, it may take you a little bit longer to pass the evaluations, but I'm telling you, like, you will never break this account if you under leverage. If you under leverage, because again, like, if you know exactly what direction she's going, she's going to pull back. So if she pulls back even 20, 30 points, and then she finally goes in your direction, again, you didn't break your account. You're just being patient, and you won. So again, like that's where I'm at. Is so on this trading account, I use a 10 lot, 10.0. So that's what I'm trading on. So obviously, like, they're not big bags, but again, like, they're jabs. Do you know what I mean? We're not looking for a big right hook. We're not looking to over leverage. I'm looking to open up 4 positions to where if each of those positions went 50 points, that's literally only a 2% loss for the day. I can handle that. Do you know what I mean? So again, like that's kind of where I'm at, guys. Is like, don't over leverage, actually under leverage, and I'm telling you, you'll never ever break this account. You'll move a little bit slower through the evaluations, but once you get that live account, I'm telling you, it's consistent paycheck. It's consistent money every freaking week. And you'll never break your account because you're not over leveraged. Does that make sense? Okay, good. Awesome. So again, like, keep in mind, guys, like, let's look at something here, okay? So when we look at today and we look at kind of where we're at, it was kind of very, very, very tough and very challenging to definitely trade today. So I take a payout. Weekly. I take a payout weekly. There's times when I won't take a payout for maybe a couple weeks. Again, it just depends. It depends. Like, you can take a payout whenever you'd like to take a payout, to be honest. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So again, like, we're documenting this. We're not creating, we're documenting. I'm going to document all of this for you guys. So you guys, know exactly what's going on. So obviously, like, when we got into the session today, obviously James was on when we first got on, and we were evaluating. We're trading on top of this EMA, this 200 EMA. We're on top of it, up and down, up and down, up and down, over it, under it, over it, under it, over it, under it. Okay, this is kind of very dangerous to trade in because there's not a definite direction. Okay, so we go to the 15. We go to the 15. Okay, look, we've been under the 200. We shot up over it. We came under it. Okay, now we're on top. Now we just made this huge break over it. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to look for a pullback and possibly, look at obviously getting into, a buy. Okay, same thing here. Okay, obviously, look, she's pulling down here. Is she going to respect this here? Is she going to respect this and continue to shoot up? Or is she trying to fake us out? So again, that's kind of like, so that's the thing, is you just have to be disciplined. You have to understand that a lesson, you got to take your lessons. I'm telling you, on my personal account, I think it was a couple Mondays ago, $35,000 loss. Like, but again, I also understand and know that that's profit. So it's all mindset. I don't know what mindset, but you have to under leverage. And again, I can continue trading right now, but I don't, and I won't, because I'm done for the day. So you have to be disciplined as well. And again, like, don't take as many positions. Under leverage and take 1 or 2 positions. And I don't know again, like, you're not, if you're under leverage, there's no way, like, you're taking major pullbacks. Like, I don't care where you're at. If she pulls back 50 points, get out. Like, stick to that rule. And that's again, like, when you break your account and you blow those accounts, it's because you're not following your rules. That's it. Like you just said, like, I struggle getting out of bad trades. Don't struggle anymore. Get out of them. Because you're hoping and praying that they're going to go a different direction. take your L for the day, let it reset. Let it reset and go after it again tomorrow. Like you could literally I mean, here's the deal, guys. Like overall 12% drawdown, like an overall 12% that you could take on these accounts. So if you're taking let's say 2 to 3 a day, that's anywhere from 4 to 6 days of L's that you could take. If you're looking at the numbers properly. Like I said, Monday I got close to 5. I was right over 4. Okay, very close. Opened the account. I could have actually closed the account on Monday as well. But again, we didn't, guys. Like I stopped. And then what happened at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time? It reset. Boom. I got an additional 5%. Daily drawback. Daily drawdown. Cool. Boom. Hit my 2%. Boom. Done. Then Wednesday, 1 to 2%. Boom. Now we just flip this account. So now we're sitting at 52. What did I say? 52,013. So like I said, we're 2,000 away from our profit. Okay. Again, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the week. I will not trade until Monday. Okay. Monday, possibly if I'm up before London session. So 2:30, 3 a.m. my time. If I'm up, I'll look at the market. If not, I'll be on this session on Monday morning. And that's just your rules. Do you know what I mean? And again, I was already up $500 today. Okay? I was already up $500 from a London session this morning. Okay? And so then obviously I came in, I opened up 4 trades. She pulled back about 20 points. She pulled back about 20 points. Okay? On those 4, where again, like, I opened up 4 positions. Maybe I should have only opened up 2. Maybe I should have opened up 3. But she went in my direction. And we closed those in profit and we're done for the day. Okay? So again, guys, like 1, 2 positions. If you, what do you base your percentage off of? The 2,500 drawdown or the total 50K? So off of the total 50K. So like I said, my drawback number, my stop loss is 50 points in my mind. Okay? So if I have a 10 lot times 50, that's $500. Okay, so that's a $500 loss. So if I do that twice, 3 times, that's 1.5% loss for the day. Wait, let's see. 1, 2, no. That's 2.5% loss for the day. I'm done. Okay? So that's how I would base that. Again, I didn't hit 50 today. I was around 20. And then she went in my direction. Okay? 20% pullback today, 20 point pullback today. That's what I experienced. And then she shot in my direction and we closed out. So you're going to come up with, really your tolerance, or I guess your leverage based off of your loss. Okay? So I'm willing to take a 50 point drawdown or a pullback. So again, like if I only want to, risk 2% today, okay, then that's what I'll look at. Is I'll look at 2 entries, okay? 2 entries. So again, I was pretty close. Like honestly, guys, like if you look at, like I had 4 entries open, we're at 20 points each. Okay, so that's 80 point drawback on all of those. We were nearing where I was at. But I was also ahead for $500. of trading earlier. Do you know what I mean? So again, like, I'm not coming, like, again, Monday, I came close. I was about 4%. But again, like, I should have gotten out of some trades that I didn't. Okay? And like I said, anytime that I take an L, I know what I did. I know exactly what I did. And I know what to correct. It's not just, oh, you know, it just happened that way. It was I either didn't take profits when I should have. I was trying to get a bigger return. Okay, I was, you know, so yeah, so that's again, every time that I take an L, guys, like it's you've gone against your rules, you've gone against your strategy. Like, you don't just take L's to take L's. Like, you've gone against your strategy. Do you know what I mean? You know, you've stayed in the trade too long. You know, but that's how I work it. I'm telling you. And again, like, we rush to try to get through these evals. Okay, we're halfway through the first eval. We'll probably get through the second eval Wednesday, Thursday next week, depending on how Monday, Tuesday go. Okay? So literally I can get through, so here's the deal. If I do what I did today, Monday, Tuesday, we'll be done with eval 1. Wednesday, Thursday, we'll be focusing on eval 2. We could possibly get through eval 2, and by week 3, we could possibly have a live account. Okay? But again, if it doesn't pan out that way, it's okay. I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to work on it as long as we need to. And then once we're out of eval, you then obviously, you know, your account has to be 30 days. And then from there, boom, like we're off to the races at that point. Do you know what I mean? Okay. And again, I'm going to show you guys all of that. I'm going to go through all of that for you guys. But again, just hang tight. But again, I'm just trying to show you guys and just simplify, like, under leverage, you know, open up 1 or 2 positions. You see me opening up 5 positions. You don't have to open up 5 positions. Okay, 2 positions, 1 position. I'm telling you, if you under leverage and you do 1 position, that thing will have to pull back like 150, 200 points in order for you to break your account. So that's what I'm saying. Like, when you guys are over leveraging, and what I mean by over leveraging is you're taking too many positions. Like, I'm telling you, if you just took 1 position, that's correct. Exactly. You're absolutely right. Yep. And my drawdown, and the daily drawdown is 5%. So I could have lost this account Monday. Why? Because I was being greedy. I had over leveraged. I had too many positions open. Okay? That's it. And so now we're at 52,013. So and our mark is $4,000. Our mark is $4,000. Okay, so when I go into this homepage right now, okay, let me just share this with you guys. Give me 1 second. That's not the page I wanted to share. Here it is. No, that's not it either. Give me 1 second. Okay, here it is. Here it is right here. Give me 1 second. Is this it? No, this isn't it. Give me 1 second. I keep bringing up the wrong one. Okay, let me just close out. So give me 1 second, guys. Let me pull up the right one here. So that's not it. That's not it. All right, perfect, cool. All right, cool. I closed out the other ones. All right, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at right now. Okay, cool. See my screen. Give me sevens in the sevens if you guys can see my screen. Sevens in the chat if you can see my screen. Sevens in the chat if you can see my screen. Sevens in the chat if you can see my screen. Sevens in the chat if you can see my screen. Okay, so this is that $50,000 account that I opened on Monday. Okay, $50,000 account that I opened on Monday. Okay, you can see what my balance is. My balance is 52,013. Okay, not telling you guys a story. Okay, so okay, look today, 2.14% profit today. That's what we did. We have a profit target of 4,000 on this eval one. On this eval one, we literally been trading 3 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's Thursday. Okay? Again, this is what I could have lost today. This could be my drawdown today. 48,374. I could have drew down all the way down to that number. Okay? That's, keep in mind that every single day you have a 5% drawdown. Okay? So at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, your drawdown resets. Okay? So if I had a 4% drawdown on Monday, at 5 p.m., it reset. It reset. Okay? So let's look at this history here. Okay, look at trading days. Look at this, guys. Look at this. On Monday, we had a negative 2,240. Okay, that was our loss for the day. Then look at this. We killed it. We've killed it the rest of the week. 1466, 1695, 1092. Okay? We're at a balance of 52,013. Okay? We took 8 trades on Monday. We took 11 trades on Tuesday. Wednesday, we took 14 trades. And today, we did 8 trades. Okay, what I really like about my Forex funds, guys, is that honestly, like, you get a snapshot of exactly what you did for the week. You know exactly what your profits were. You know all of that. Do you know what I mean? And again, like, you're able to be like, okay, cool, I see where I'm at. Okay, so look at this. We had a negative 4% that we had to come back from. Okay, we had a 4% that we had to come back from. And now we're sitting at a 4% profit for the week. Okay, with a profit target of $4,000. Can I keep trading right now? Absolutely. Could I possibly keep trading right now to get this 4,000? Yes. But why? That's what I'm saying, guys. Like, I'm done. I'm done for the day. I don't have to. I can be patient. Can I keep trading today? Yes, absolutely I could. But I don't. Again, that's me. You may be different. But again, I finished the week ahead. 4% growth. 4% growth, and I had almost a little over 4% loss. So this week I'm close to 8% growth. Do you know what I mean? So I'm using $10 per point. That's what I'm saying. So if she pulls back 50 points, That's $500, 1%. She pulled back 100 points, 2%. She pulls back, she pulls back, 1,500, 150 points. That's 3%. Okay. She pulls back 200 points. Okay. That's 4%. And again, obviously, that's one open position. So now you open two positions, you just cut that in half because you got to split that leverage between those two positions. You open 3 positions, 4 positions, you obviously got to, understand what that leverage is. So like I said, guys, if you under leverage, like, I mean, that's how that works, guys. Does that help you guys understand? 5's in the chat if you understand that. 5's in the chat if you understand that. And again, does this bring value to you guys? I mean, does this help you guys? Like, again, like I said, all I'm simply doing is doing what I would normally do and just documenting it. And just really trying to simplify really how simple it is. Do you know what I mean? Like, I could have opened a $200,000 account. I could have opened a $300,000 account. But you don't have to. A $50,000 account is affordable for anyone. It's less than $300. $300, I believe. I think a $50,000 account's $300. Like, I mean, people ask me, what if I fund my account with $2,000? Sure, you can do that. Or, until you're ready, learn the skill set, buy a $50,000 account, and get the bag. Do you know what I mean? Like, and then what you then do is you take the profits from that $50,000 account, you buy a $200,000 account, and you have the same mindset. Doesn't change. Still 5% drawdown. Still 5% drawdown. Still under leverage. Still 1%. You know what I mean? But again, your profits are just bigger. That's the only difference. And your losses look bigger. But it's 5% is 5%. 5% of $1, 5% of $1 million. It's 5%. Do you know what I mean? So again, like, don't get caught up with the account size, guys. It's all mental. That's all that it is. It's all mental. Again, like, here's the deal. If you're a boxer, you want to win the fight in the first round. You want to throw that haymaker. But the guy who wins the fight, he jabs his opponent. He beats him up. He hits him in the arms. He hits him in the chest. He hits him in the face. He hits him in the arms. He hits him in the stomach. He hits him. You know what I mean? And he throws a couple, haymakers here and there. But I'm telling you, like, if you're not careful throwing those haymakers, you can get knocked out. You know what I mean? So again, like, this is not a sprint, guys. It truly is a marathon, and it's being patient. And that's why these evaluations are what they are. Are you patient enough to get through these valuations to earn this account? No, because not many people are. But I'm telling you, I've tricked the system. Under leverage, and you can handle that pullback. That pullback will not hurt you if you under leverage. I'm telling you, even if you even if, like I said, if you took if you said, I'm going to take 50-point drawdown today, 50-point drawdown, and you're at 10-0, okay, or whatever, on whatever size account you are. So on a $50,000 account, 50-point drawdown at a 10 lot, it's $500. That's 1%. Okay, $200,000 account, your lot size is 20. Do you know what I mean? That's what I'm saying, guys. It's like 10%, 1%, 1%. You will never bust your account. So if you lost $500, you took 1% loss, be done for the day. No one has the discipline to do so. That discipline is so hard. That mental game is so hard. But I'm telling you, your account then resets at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You now have a 5% daily drawdown. So that 1% that you lost yesterday, who cares? Get it back. Okay, you have a 2% gain. You just gain the 1% you lost, and you're up 1% on that account. That's what I'm saying, guys. Like, will she draw back and will she pull back hard? Yes, absolutely. But I'm telling you, if you're under leveraged, it will not hurt you. But when you're over leveraged, it's stressful. I've taken those lessons. I've learned that. I'm telling you, I'm not in a hurry anymore, guys. I'm not in a hurry. Like I said, man, we're at 4% growth of this account. Our profit target is 8%. We're halfway there. Okay? By Monday, Tuesday, if I can do what I did today, I will be done with this evaluation 1. Then it gets cut in half. Now we just have to get to that second evaluation. Okay? If I can do what I did this week, next week, I will be done with evaluation 1 and 2. And week 3, we're going into a live account. And again, it's under leveraging. So again, I hope this guy, again, like I said, guys, I'm just trying to simplify this for you guys. I truly am just trying to simplify, this trading game. And just trying to help you guys with the mindset, because that's honestly, that's what this is it's all a mindset. It doesn't matter the size of account. 5%, 5%. 5% of $1 is 5%. 5% of $2 million is 5%. It's 5% is 5%. If I can have 1 to 2% growth a day, man, that's love. Like even on let me break this down. On a $50,000 account, 1 to 2% growth a day. So check this out. If we had a 4% growth this week. Okay, that's 1% a day. That's $2,000 a week. Okay, let me just break this down. Let me just do some crazy math for you, okay? Not even crazy. Okay? So let's say $2,000 a week times 4, that's 8,000. Okay? 8,000. Okay? So by your third month, you're doing 85%. Okay? Times 0.85. That's $6,800 that you can make a month off a $50,000 account. So you take that $6,800, you buy a $200,000 account. You're doing the same thing. The only difference is the 5% is bigger and the profit's bigger. That's it. But if you can't manage a $50,000 account, how are you going to manage a $200,000 account? That's what I'm saying, guys. It's the same number game. That's it. If you're consistent for 3 to 4 months on a $50,000 account, buy your $200,000 account, be consistent, game over, life-changing, you're done. Okay? So let's just do this. 4% growth a week on a $200,000 account. 200,000 times 0.04 equals 8,000. 8,000 times 4, 32,000. 32,000 times 0.85, 27,000. $27,000 a month, folks. Let's go. Give me sevens in the chat if you're good with $27,000 a month. Let's go. Let's go. $27,000 a month, guys. That's 4% growth a week. Everybody wants a big bag. Everybody wants a big bag, but I'm telling you, under leverage and take your time. Under leverage and take your time. That's it. That's 4% growth a week. But what if you did 2% growth a week? Are you kidding me? 2% growth? 2% growth. You know, 2% growth, guys. That's $14,000 a month. Let's go. That's what I'm saying, guys. Like, again, I'm just trying to simplify this for you guys. Like, you guys are overcomplicating it. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overcomplicate this. You know what I mean? It's that simple. Under leverage. Under leverage and be patient. Under leverage and be patient. Or you're going to get frustrated. You're going to go through this account, that account, this account, that account, because you're being impatient. All you have to do is be patient. All you have to do is focus on this. If you change this, everything changes. Yep. Cool. All right, guys. Hey, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Again, reach out. I'm here if you guys have any questions. Do you know what I mean? But again, I'm so glad that you guys are getting value from this, because that's all that I'm trying to do, guys, is literally just simplify it and just make it simple. But also, opening up a $50,000 account shows you how simple you can. You don't need a $200,000 account. You don't need a $300,000 account. Can I buy a $200,000 account? Yes. Can I buy a $300,000? Yes, I can. But I don't need to. And this is a journey. So over the next 3 to 4 months, we're going to get into that $200,000 account. But we're going to use the money from this $50,000 account to do so. You know what I mean? So again, guys, we're on a journey. Let's go. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope that you guys have an amazing, amazing weekend. And we will see you Monday. Take care, guys. Have a good one.